Alright, you guys, so don't mind my bags. I have not got ready for like 5 days. I haven't done anything for like 5 days. I haven't moved from my couch for like 5 days. I definitely haven't got any sleep also because my mind just races at night. But we are going to go sledding. Why I'm doing my makeup? Because I should, and I mean, I feel like you should at least get ready once a week to make yourself feel up and get ready and all that stuff. I woke up at 5:50 today, ready to go to the couch. But we're gonna get ready right now and then we're gonna go sledding, you guys. I'm so excited. I got my Nike, like it's like really thick. We're ready. Like we miss Colorado, so like we see snow and we're just gonna go outside. We are going to go outside and have some fun. It's President's Day. We got a day off from school. So we are going to go have fun and see what we can get ourselves into. I was thinking, like, what if there becomes icicles on my eyelashes? That's gonna be funny. Hi, baby.
Hi.
You ready to go sledding? Ooh! You guys hear that? It's coming down. There's not that much snow, but it'll do for sure. It's not too cold. I'm sure if we bundle up enough, it'll be fine. But it's enough snow to go sledding. Ready? Look at you. That's exactly how you'll go down. We're outside, you guys. It's snowing. We're trying to find a sled, you guys, and I don't know if we're gonna find one yet, but we're certainly gonna try.
Hey, let's make a snow.
I am too cold for this.
Really? Ready? Make a snow.
We're trying to make a ghetto slide. See if it works. Oh my god, that found the hole. Mel, they're trying to get some worms. Alright, you guys, here's our secret little hideout. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna watch you. Hold on, hold on. I'm coming. Let's see. Woo! Snow angels. Good job, man. Our sled did not work. Everybody at Walmart bought all the sleds too, so we can't even freaking go buy one. Like, I swear I went to Walmart and everybody had like 10 sleds in their hand and they had like one kid probably, so that really sucks that people were greedy. This thing is in my mouth. But yeah, we're having fun. I want to get in this hammock that we have, but I'll probably break it because it's frozen. It'll be frozen. Let's go look at the front of my yard. Nobody. Not even the cricket. We're making it work, guys. We're making it work. Nels is over here playing. Oh! Just anybody. Go back to where you just were. That's perfect. Are you okay? Did you fall? Are your feet cold, Millie?